50 cent. I'm always looking for a 50-cent move. All right. Let's rock. Let's rock. Let's rock, ladies and gentlemen. We live on YouTube as well. It's 340. Usually want to try to get in some trades around 345, 355, or 358. All right. We're going to rock and roll, ladies and gentlemen. So currently, what I'm trying to explain to you guys is even if you would have did 10 contracts at $5, it would have cost you 50. They went to $60. You would have made $600 off of 50 bucks. Who don't have $50 to lose? Got it? We got to play smart, right? There's no such thing as fair in the market, right? So when we have the tools and we can beat the banks, we need to utilize these tools. All right, let's get it. I'm gonna switch this down, ladies and gentlemen, for a 5-minute time frame, and we're gonna see what the market is gonna give us. Right? Remember, we do have news and events that's happening tomorrow, but I want you guys to see the totality of this 5 minute. We do got an inverse what? Cup and handle, right? We had resistance, we hit it, we broke it with a wick, and we did consolidate pretty much a little while, and then we coming down. All right. Y'all ready? Once we break 404.45, we taking 405s, 404s, put same day. Now, if we break the high of 605.40, we taking 606 same days. Y'all got the plays? Let me know if y'all got them. All right. I'm going heavy to the downside. I'm only doing 5 contracts to the upside. Got it? I'm going heavy to the downside because if momentum kicks in to the downside, I can literally turn $300 before the day over went into $1,500 plus. Got it? Let's rock. All right. We here, ladies and gentlemen. We got our targets, right? Once we break and we got full candlesticks closing below our target, 604.45. We're going to take those contracts, 604s and 605 same days. If we break above 605.50, we're going to take 606 same days. Calls. Got it? Let's rock. This is a 5-minute time frame, so I'm gonna be playing back and forth between the smaller time frame, 5-minute time frame, just to see how it looks for us. But let's make some money, ladies and gentlemen. Let's not be afraid of what the market is gonna do to us. Let's be happy what the market can do for us. And I think that's where a lot of us go wrong. We are afraid of losing instead of being happy about winning. Got it? We break, we take. Right? But we need a full candlestick to close below it. We break, we take. Got it?
Got it.
All right. Boom, boom, boom. I already have your orders. Now, I'm going heavy to the downside, ladies and gentlemen. So that means same days, 0 DTEs. That means anywhere between 10 to 25, maximum 50 contracts. Upside, like I told you, 45 max. Right? Because we exhausted. If we do break up, them 45 contracts will pay me as well, but we exhausted to the upside. The banks is having a hard time maneuvering up, right? Let's go. But once the banks loses grips to the downside, we flush. Right? Let's go. All right. Anybody can tell me why is wick theory very important, ladies and gentlemen, what I've been trying to tell you guys over the last month or so plus. If they really wanted to push it up, it would have never formed a wick, right? But if we get back to this target as a body, we know that the banks wanted full what? Throttle. Got it? Wick theory at the bottom as well. Right? If they wanted to push it down, we wouldn't establish a wick. We would establish a what? A body. Now, y'all see how we bounced off of this support again, pretty much, and then we shooting back what? Back up. Got it? Let's rock and roll, ladies and gentlemen. Feel free to ask questions, ladies and gentlemen. If you guys are following on YouTube and also inside Google Chats, let's rock and roll. Remember, teamwork make the dream work, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you have your contracts loaded. If we break 505.50 to the upside, we take 506. Well, we take 606 same days. If we break 604.45 to the downside, ladies and gentlemen, we take 604, 605 to the downside. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, it's gonna move fast. You have to be willing to get out on market, right? SPY spread is nothing but $1, maximum $2 or $3 sometimes, depending on the volume. We had a decent volume in the market today. It wasn't a crazy volume like it usually be when we have a major move, but SPY did move pretty much almost $5 today, right? That's pretty decent. It's below its average true range of $6.85, but it moves decently, all right? So let's make it happen. It's 3:45, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what the banks want to do. Let's see if the banks want to come in here and want to make this move. I'm going to drop this down to a 30-second time frame because I want to see these candlesticks open and close a little bit faster. All right. Everything is loaded up on my end, ladies and gentlemen. Everything is loaded up on my end. All I have to do is hit a button. It depends on what direction it goes and get paid. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right. Patience, patience, ladies and gentlemen. Triple P's being patient, positive, and persistent in your pursuit of becoming better as a trader. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, 9 times out of 10, you're not going to always have time for a screenshot. So we not worry about a screenshot today. Get paid. Get paid, all right? Don't worry about that damn screenshot. Get your money. All right? You know what you made and you know what you lost. You know if you capping or not. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's see what this market want to give us. Now, we are swinging BP 36.50 calls, $35 calls, right? And leading into tomorrow. All right, weekly picks are out on Shop. If you guys didn't get in Shop now, I would advise you not to get in contracts. It's too expensive. It wouldn't be worth it. Got it? Now, Coca-Cola, we got a straddle on Coca-Cola, ladies and gentlemen. That means we plan puts and calls at the money, same expiration date. All right, now, breaking news. Elon Musk Group just made a bid to buy control interest of OpenAI. They made a bid for $97.4 billion. They talking billions, y'all. This is money talk. And we ain't talking Chris Tucker. Y'all hear me? That's a bid. Keep your eyes on AI. If Elon Musk takes over AI, ladies and gentlemen, he pretty much got a conglomerate now. He's controlling everything. He already using Starlink. All right, let's rock, ladies and gentlemen. Y'all be prepared. Don't be afraid. Like I told you, I'm going heavy to the downside. So if you guys hear me yelling 15, 10, 20% and I'm out, y'all know where I'm out. I don't need the whole move. But 50 cents would be good. Here we go. Let's see if we can hold below it. I'm going to switch this to a 15-second. We're not holding below. Let's rock and roll. So our first target to be here, 604.45. But remember, whatever you feel comfortable. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. I'm in. Let's go. Big drop. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. 3%. All right. All right, 3%, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see. I'm going to sell half of these 25s. Boom. I've still got 12. Yep, there we go. I got out of half. I didn't move. The ones that's in, ladies and gentlemen, is actually down 25%. A crazy move when you're selling these same days. But I want you guys to see something. That's why I'm on a smaller time frame. We got a double what? Double bottom, and banks came in and did what? Buy, buy, buy. Y'all got it? Let's go, let's go. Same price matters. Now, we got a new entry to the upside, ladies and gentlemen. We have a new entry to the upside. We are taking calls above resistance of 605.03, and we're taking it back to 605.40. Got it? We're scalping, ladies and gentlemen. End of day scalps. Got it? Locked and loaded. All right, BP, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you guys are locked into the BP trades. Please make sure you guys are locked into the BP trades. Got it? Make sure you guys are locked into the BP trades. All right, 36.50, 35 calls for this week. 214. Got it? All right, if we break,
say that one more time, Coach.
36.50 calls or $35 calls. All right, let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's be patient. It's 3:49. 3:49 is 11 minutes left in the regular trading session. If you guys got next days or anything that's expanding on the ETF outside of this day, you have 15 minutes after the build to make a position. All right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Once we break, we take. All right, full body. Once we break, we take. Remember, we are going for goldfish. So my whole thing, we're fishing for profits, right? Break our targets 10, 20, and 30%. That's what we get. But y'all see how we wicked up? Wicks are very dangerous. They can help you or harm you. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's see what they want to do, ladies and gentlemen. All right, but y'all notice we're trading inside of a what? A range. Up and down, up and down, up and down, right? Up and down, up and down. All right, let's go. All right, let's see what this market want to give us, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what this market want to give us. Y'all know what Freddy Krueger did for a living, right? What he do for a living, y'all? He hunted people and they what?
And they sleep and they dream.
All right. So guess what I'm trying to tell y'all? Y'all got to hunt these what? Institutions. When you get the bag, take the bag. All right. Bag drop. Boom. Let's get them. What Cameron say? I look good in pink, baby. Like I say, ladies and gentlemen, they can't beat you. You only beat yourself because guess what? You don't take the what? Take the bag.
True.
There we go. Liquid, liquid, liquid gold, baby. Boom. We just smoked them. Boom. Them same puts came back to life, ladies and gentlemen. I'll post it in the group. Move fast money. Now watch this. 3-minute time frame. We strictly what? Going down. All right. Fail 2 down. Let's see if we can get this fail 2 down. Let's see what happens after this. But my thing is we looking for 10, 20% like I told you guys. And it was accomplished. Got it? Accomplishment. Right? Next time we'll trade SPX because we literally probably could have got 50%. I'm ready for BP to pay once again. All right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Be prepared is 352. A move is always made at 355. 355, 358. I'm giving you guys some gem. Please pay attention to the time frame. The time frames pays. All right. What we got, ladies and gentlemen? Are we cooking with grease or what? Them same days cooking. There we go. Bag drop. 50% trade, ladies and gentlemen. You guys took it. Put a thumbs up, put a world emoji in the group. This is how you get paid. Check the chat group, ladies and gentlemen. I secured it. All right. Bag drop. Y'all get it? Y'all got it? We done. All right. Let's see what they want to do for the rest of the day. I want you guys to check this 15-minute out. All right. All right. Let's pay close attention. I'm going to look at BP here in a second. I want to wait till we get to 355. I want you guys to look at this reaction. I want you guys to understand. I explained to you guys earlier, we have a resistance. We have a support. We came back and broke resistance. We got wick theory. They didn't push it back up. We did got an inverse cup and handle. We did come all the way back down. So if the banks sell off here, ladies and gentlemen, look for a dollar flush towards the end of the day. Got it? Be prepared. All right, here we go. We got less than 30 seconds. Let's see if this move holds true to nature. 3:55 p.m. Eastern, ladies and gentlemen. And this is how we get paid. All right, and then I'm going to show you guys some flow for the end of the day so you guys can lock in and see why the flow is coming in. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 11 tickers. 355, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what the banks want to do at 355. All right, we sitting there. 3:55, my watch went off. Let's see if these banks is gonna make a move either to the upside or to the downside. Sometimes it's a little hesitant for 3 minutes, but they make move. It's always heavy pressure to the upside or to the downside.
I got a 80% on the 60-60 put today. Thank you.
There you go. Boom. Voila. Money, money, money. No, son. This is how you do it. You just have to be patient, ladies and gentlemen. People say, oh, you don't know how to trade because you're taking 20 and 30%. So go tell Warren Buffett that. 20 and 30% add up. 20 times 10% is 200, right? And keep it going on and going on. 3:55, the banks came in on a smaller time frame, right? The 5 minute is pushing up, but y'all look at this 30-second. What y'all see? Fell 2 down, baby. And a massive move to the what? 60-cent move to the what? Upside. In real time, ladies and gentlemen. This is real time. Right? So it's no ifs, ands about it. My thing is I try to tell you guys, don't use buts. Look at the chart. It's telling you banks came in, fell 2 down. We pushed literally up from 604.25 and we pushed all the way up to literally 604.90. A 60-cent plus move, y'all. Y'all follow me? You don't need much if you're a scalper, right? If you're a day trader, you don't need much, right? You just need to continue to keep on compounding. And that's what it's all about. Compounding those wins. So congratulations, Vic, on the plays. And my whole thing is it wasn't what we were expecting. We were expecting a major move, but we got a 60-cent move. I'm always looking for 50 cents on spot. And that's how we make it happen. All right. So we literally got 3 minutes before the bell closed, ladies and gentlemen. I'm swinging 5,900 puts on SPX for the 21st of February. And my thing is I'm looking to see what it does. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys. If we close below 604.24, I'm going to take SPY 600 puts for tomorrow as well. I'm leaning towards a little bit bearish towards the market. I'm bullish on BP. And here we go. Let's see if I can show you guys some flow and you can ask questions. All right, let's go. Pull it up. Let me know when you guys see this flow. Present. Flow. Let's go. All right. Y'all see the flow? Let's go. Now, want you guys, we're going to isolate BP. All right, let's get it. Excuse me, y'all. Thank you, son.
Bless you.
Thank you, B. Isolate BP. All right, we're going to isolate BP. All right, y'all see BP? $32 call, $28 call. They buying what? In the money. Why y'all think they buying in the money? Anybody got any idea? Because they want to make the what?
Money.
Make the bag, right? So we're going to hit BP. We're going to isolate ticker. All right, isolate. All right, what strike prices we got, ladies and gentlemen? $36.50. Y'all see the $37? And we got 35. 34s look good. All right, so let's go down. I want you guys to keep looking at this, These are all what? Puts, and we got all what? Call. So at the end of the day, what's coming in the market, y'all? What's
Money.
coming in? Money's coming in the market, right? Everybody anticipating on a move, right? So 33, 32, 33, 32, 32, 32, 38, 37. Now, we want to isolate this 37, right? And this is for what? 2000 and what? 26. They buying what? Time. You have to buy time. Now, what the Bazinga is saying. Here we go. We got less than 50 seconds. Less than 50 seconds. Less than 50 seconds. All right.
Just bought 2 shares.
Let's go. Anything works.
Let's see.
Let's go. I'm ready. I'm anticipating a big move. We'll see how it works out. All right. BP. All right.
Oh, earnings tomorrow.
Yes, sir. I'm ready for the smoke. There you go. The end of the bill. 3, 2, 1. That's the bill. After the bill, ladies and gentlemen, remember, gracefully bow out, right? Close up shop. You can go back and recalculate where you went wrong in your trade, see what you can go right at. Now, we didn't close below 604.34, so I didn't take SPY plays. I'm just going to stay on my SPX loans, right? To the downside. Now, we noticed towards the end of the day, we got a 50, 60 cent move that we waited on. To the downside, we got paid, and to the upside, it went back up as well. Right? So our first move is always supposed to be our what?
Best move.
Best move. Now, conference call is scheduled for tomorrow at 9 a.m. on BP. Y'all got it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So remember, ladies and gentlemen, we have to pay close attention to what's going on forward guidance, right? That's going to be key, right? How they're going to be able to be profitable because, you know, Donald Trump said, hey, we're going to allow the oil companies to continue to keep on what? Drilling. So if oil companies continue to keep on drilling, ladies and gentlemen, guess what that means for oil company? Revenue, because now they can provide more oil and more resources that comes from the oil. All right. Remember, there's a lot of products that's a byproduct. Got it? I'm open for, I got 4 minutes with you guys. If you guys have any questions, I got 4 minutes with you guys. Any question, feel free. If you guys on YouTube, ask the question in the chat on YouTube. I will reply. All right. I'm not one of those guys that won't reply to your question. I'm not too busy not to reply. If you took your time out to listen to me on YouTube, I can take my time out to reply to your question. All right. Let's go. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to say I'm proud of each and every one of you guys. I know it takes time for you guys to actually grow and build. But at the end of the day, I want you to think about this. You are a few trades away from being a perfect blend of success and mishaps, right? I wouldn't say failures, it's mishaps, right? You might be too late to a trade, right? You might be too early to a trade, right? So my thing is it's mishaps, right? So we're gonna have to actually work on that, right? And it takes time because I think every trader has a unique experience, right? And we all have different experience, all right? All right, so Sarah, yo, do this daily. I wouldn't necessarily do this daily. There's a lot of time consuming. This is a person on YouTube. I actually live trade with my group Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And 9 times out of 10, we do go. Sometimes we go on YouTube, but I won't do it daily. It's too much time consuming for me. All right, and time is money. I still got to focus on my trades, and I still coach and train, and I still got a big family. Right, I got 7 kids, so I won't do it daily because my thing is Tuesdays and Thursdays are my days. But Powell talking tomorrow, right? So guess what I'm gonna be doing? Trading with the team. Right? Because my thing is we want to take full advantage of all information. So I'm going to trade with the team. Thanks for joining, Mike. Mike, I appreciate you, Mike. Mike from Coach of Sharks, ladies and gentlemen. Go follow Coach of Sharks Investment on all social media platforms. He's a great guy. He's a coach. He's a teacher. He's a mentor. He's really well-rounded. He don't just trade options. I think he dibble and dabble in a long-term investment, real estate, and things like that. So my thing, if you guys choose to actually work with him, you guys are in great hands, right? So just be with somebody that's willing to uplift you and put you in a position to be successful. Right? So if you guys are trying to find me, I'm on social media platform Empowerment Assets. Tap in, ladies and gentlemen. I'm always welcoming new clients. Depends on what your skill set is. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or you experienced, we can work from your level up, right? I never work from my level down. All right, let's recap, ladies and gentlemen. Weekly picks, everything pretty much hit. Anybody disagree? Anybody disagree? The weekly picks hit from Friday, yes or no?
Yep.
All right, let's talk about it. First one, what we have? What kind of play we had? Coca-Cola, we had a what?
Straddle.
A straddle. So can anybody explain to me what is a straddle, ladies and gentlemen?
By the same price. Puts and calls.
Puts and calls. So guess what? As we continue to keep on elevating, straddle paid, right? Because if you paid $100 for the call and you paid $100 for the put, that's $200. Let's say you made $300 today, you made $100 profit. Now, let's say you do want to let go of the calls today, you keep the puts and the puts run to the downside, you can double up. All right. Next play, ladies and gentlemen, what else play did we have on the docket this week? Remember, I gave you guys McDonald's last week, right? And you guys could have took it out. Now, we did have Shopify. Shopify did pretty well today. Shopify literally went up to 123.41. We had a wick theory. If you guys can see that, this is a wick theory. If they wanted to continue this trend to the upside, it would have been a body. It wasn't a body. So guess what? We went from 123, we flatlined all the way at 119.14. So that's pretty much a $4 and some change drop. You could have made money on puts. But remember, we got in what day, ladies and gentlemen? What day did we get in?
Friday.
Friday. All right. So guess what? We got in Friday, 116. So that's a what? $7 move. $7 move. Now, let's talk about BP. We gave BP out Friday, ladies and gentlemen. Let's talk about this. BP came out Friday. All right. Here, 31, BP opened up at 34.91. That's pretty much a $3 plus move. Y'all see that gap? Crazy gap. So that was 300% trade, ladies and gentlemen, and those are weekly picks that's live and free on YouTube weekly, right? Want to appreciate Brandon because he makes the content for me. I sent it to him. He put it together. He pieced it together, ladies and gentlemen, giving him his flowers. So if you guys are looking for anything that deals with video recording, piecing things together for you, pictures, family, and all that, Brandon is the guy for you. All right, Brandon, you can give them your information while we live on YouTube so they can have it.
Appreciate it. Find me Brandon Behind 10 on Instagram or X.
Y'all got an Instagram or X, right? And we also be on TikTok pretty much daily. Me and Brandon, he came up with this concept. Can you tell them the concept and the name behind the concept that you came up with you and your kids?
So the name of the TikTok is called Dad Gains and Goals. Pretty much, I'm all about making money and also about different goals. You know, I coach soccer too with my oldest daughter, so it's a bonding experience to play the video games with my daughter, and also, you know, build that bond and have goal settings, and let them know that you need to have goals so you can strive for something.
I like that. So pretty much every day, me and Brandon, he get on tonight with his daughter, or both his daughters, and we play video games. We talk charts, we talk stocks and things like that, and it's very beautiful because you can see the happiness, right? And not just him, but in me and also in the kids, right? We just trying to do different things to actually help others see that, hey, we don't have to be serious all the time. But my thing is we can play video games, right? We can chart, we can be with our kids and still make a profitable what? Trade. All right. Next thing that we had on the list today, ladies and gentlemen, is PANW, right? I want you guys to look Friday, PANW. I didn't give it out to around, what time was that? I got to go look at the time. But Friday, we bottomed out. It was like 193. We did open up today at 199. So that is a $6 move, right? So all the weekly picks pretty much did what we need to do. Now, I do want to talk about Riot, ladies and gentlemen. I want to put Riot on the weekly time frame, right? And I want to compress this, right? I want to make it small. If you guys know anything about Riot or anything about Countersign, we are inside, right? So I'm looking for Riot to break up. And this is going to be a catalyst based off of our next weekly pick. Can anybody tell me what is our weekly pick that we're waiting on to see if the crypto market is going to move? Coin.
We can't see your charts. We still see Benzinga if you're showing your charts.
All right, let's go. Benzinga. All right, so this is Coin, ladies and gentlemen. We looking for Coin to actually pay us, right? We got in these trades on Coin, ladies and gentlemen. We got in these trades Friday, right? We're gonna switch this to a 90-minute time frame. I want you guys to look at this. This is Monday. We bottom. This is Friday, right? Y'all see this? Opportunity traded from Friday from 271. We topped out at 285 today. That's a hell of a move, ladies and gentlemen. 300 strike price and 325. That's how you get paid. Got it? So I'm looking for Coin to explode. And if you put it on a monthly, Coin has a crazy gap to fill. We got a 2-1. We are inside. So once we break this level of 289, we got a top to cover back up to 310. And then we got a top to come back to 342. And then we got back to 349. So Coin can explode. If y'all see MSTR, they just bought more Bitcoin. So this is actually bullish for the crypto world, right? So everybody is putting billions and millions inside crypto, and you should do the same. Got it? Now, I want to double back once again on BP. It looks so good on a monthly time frame. Y'all see that? We got a 222 bullish what? Continuation. So if they report great earnings, we can fill the gap up to 36 and back to 38 what? 75. Got it? Quarterly time frame. I want you guys to look at this BP because this is important. We got a fail 2 down at 27-ish, right? 27-ish, like 28-ish. And we already moved $6 up. Fail 2 down. We got a 2, right, on a quarterly. So let's see if we can go up, right? So my thing is 36.50. All right, let's put this here because we're going to make it ding, ding, ding tomorrow if we actually hit this. We're going to be online talking. Got it? Once again, if you guys understand wick theory, if they wanted to push it up here, it would have been a body and not a wick, right? But guess what? We got a rejection and we came all the way what? Down. If they wanted to sell it, we wouldn't have got a wick. We would have got a rejection. We would have came all the way what? Down. We would have. So my whole thing is pay close attention to what a Wix is stand. The Wix is telling you a complete story. All right. Now let's look at McDonald's before we head off of here, ladies and gentlemen. We'll look at SPY. McDonald's on a quarterly. We had a fail 2 down here, right? This is April of last year. My thing, we went down here. We created a 3, 241. Once we came back above this fail 2 down top, where the body is at, 276.51, we should have been enough to calls back to where? 295. That's why we got the 300 strike price. And then we hit 315. And then today we topped out at 310.28. McDonald's for the win, right? I don't care how you feel about their fries and their burgers, their drinks, their ice cream machine is trash, but McDonald's paid today if you took the trade. Got it? All right. Now, before we head off, we want to look at SPY. I want to drop it down to a 1 minute time frame because I want to see the after hour, right? And I want you guys to understand that. Y'all see this? At 3:59, we created a 3. It took out the highs and the low. I have a question for you guys. Why would we create a 3 candle at 3:49, 3:59? Can anybody explain to me why would we create this? Why would the banks create this?
Because they buying and selling on threes.
Buying, selling on threes, but guess what? They want to make sure that you don't have an advantage before the market closes because guess what? They know that people like to trade what? End of what? End of day. So they get to clip your calls and they can clip your what?
Puts.
Your puts. Got it? So be very, very vigilant of that. Pay close attention to what's going on. All right. Let's see how SPX closed out. Wow.
Criminals, man.
All right. Wow. Look on the daily. SPX closed what? What the SPX closed on the daily, y'all? Inside. What did I say? What we just say, Vic? 3 and 1s. 3 1s. 3 1. 3 1. So guess what? It was cold outside. The banks came in. They waiting on a hot day tomorrow. They're going to see what Powell say, and they're going to see what the flow comes in at, and then guess what? They're going to make their move. All right? I want you guys to enjoy yourself, and my thing is don't stress yourself about anything. Peace to everybody that's on YouTube. Everybody in Google Meets, I want you guys to big yourself up because you wake up every day